Long, long ago, before humans, before kingdoms, even before the Himalayas were born, there stood an ancient guardian of the land. This guardian was the Aravalli Hills. They rose quietly from the earth more than 1 billion years ago, watching the world change around them. Rivers flowed, forests grew, animals arrived, and later humans came too. For thousands of years, the Aravallis worked without asking for anything in return. Stopped the desert from spreading into green lands, stored rainwater underground, giving water to wells and rivers, cooled the land, softened the heat, and cleaned the air, sheltered forests, birds, animals, and villages. Kings rose and fell. Empires came and went. But the Aravallis stayed silent, strong, and patient. As humans settled nearby, they found the hills useful, like stones for buildings, minerals for tools, forests for food and shelter. At first, people took only what they needed. The hills healed slowly. Nature always does. Then came the age of fast cities and fast money. Big roads were planned, tall buildings were imagined. Cities like Delhi, Gurugram, Jaipur began to grow rapidly. People looked at the Aravallis and no longer saw a protector. They started empty land, stone to mine, space to build. The hills were cut. Forests disappeared. Water paths were broken. The guardian began to weaken. As the Aravalli suffered, signs started to appear like water levels fell. Heat increased. Dust storms became stronger. Air pollution worsened. The hills were trying to speak, but their voice was soft, and the noise of development was loud. Some people noticed already, like scientists, environmentalists, students, judges. They said if the Aravallis fall, the land will suffer. Courts tried to protect them. Laws were written, but enforcement was weak, and damage continued. Do governments want to destroy them? Not exactly. The truth is more complicated. Governments want development, housing, jobs, roads. But when speed matters more than balance, nature pays the price. The Aravallis are not attacked with hate. They are ignored with carelessness. Today, the Aravalli Hills still stand, older, wounded, but alive, waiting for humans to remember that progress without nature is fragile, that ancient protectors deserve respect, that once destroyed, such hills can never return.